I want to make a very quick video explanation of simplifying with variables. I want to show us the basis of what we're going to do. X squared, x times x, the square root of that is going to be x. So if I have something like x to the third, the square root of x to the third, I'm just going to take this x squared out. So if I take an x squared out, I have the square root of x squared times the square root of x, and I know the square root of x squared is x times the square root of x, so I have x the square root of x. Okay, makes life fairly simple. Then I have something like the square root of x to the fourth. I can take an x squared out, so I have the square root of x squared times the square root of, and I have 2 left, so that's x squared again. I know this is x, and I know this is x. X times x, I simplified, that's going to be x squared. So basically, our whatever we can take out even is just going to be half that. We're basically going to divide by 2. This one over here is odd, so we're going to have 1 square root left out extra. Last example, x to the fifth, square root of x to the fifth. Well, I can take out an x to the fourth and multiply that by the square root of x. The square root of x to the fourth, because it's even now, I know that's simply going to be x squared. But I still have to multiply it by the square root of x. So I get x squared, the square root of x. Is that simplified? If I have a number in there, I'm simply going to split it up and work on it separately and combine them together at the end. I'm going to work on the square root of 72 and the square root of x to the third separately. From the previous page, 72 is 6 to the square root of 2. Square root of 2. X to the third from up here is x to the square root of x. My answer is just simply 6 to the square root of 2 and x to the square root of x. So I'm going to write it. I see my square roots together. Let's put those together. So I have 6x, put the outside together, and then I have the square root of 2x. Like that.